तो मागचा कोण आहे? Dude, Firdaus. Ma'am, here. A little on your right, little. Yes, that's it.
Ma'am, look here, right side. Excuse ma'am, look here. Ma'am, आपके right side पे. Excuse ma'am. Look center ma'am. Okay, बोलो भैया. Okay.
Sir, one solo picture.
Different pose. Sir, look here, right side, all of you. Sir. Sir.
Sir, wait.
Yeah. Sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sir. दादा आइए सर यहाँ पे सर सामने देखिए सामने सर एक सामने अरे भाई थैंक यू सर सर यहाँ पे सर सामने देखिए मनीष जी यहाँ मनीष सर आपके राइट साइड पे देखिए ना मनीष सर लता साहब
इस तरह की चीज़ों से आप सहमत हैं? मतलब जिस तरह से बदलाव करने के लिए कहा जाता है या एक कलाकार को कहा जाता है?
देखिए मुझे ये सब बारे में जानकारी नहीं है बिकॉज दीज आर लीगल थिंग्स। जो बोर्ड से कोई अगर ऐसा होता है कि कोई वर्ड आप यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, आई एम श्योर देयर मस्ट बी सम लीगल इश्यूज इन दैट। बट जनरली क्या होता है कि ये बॉम्बे और मुंबई का आपने बोला तो मुझे समझ में आ रहा है बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू नीड टू राइम द वर्ड। एक लिरिक में, गाने के लिरिक में राइम करने का बहुत ज़रूरत होता है, तो शायद वो राइम के चक्कर में मुंबई को बॉम्बे कहा होगा किसी ने। बट इंटेंशनली इन द इंडस्ट्री नो वन वुड like to do something which is illegal. So
उसमें आजकल मतलब ये ऐसा डायरेक्टिव आया है कि उन्होंने कई चीज़ों के शब्दों को हटा दिया जाए, पर आपने क्या फ्रीडम ऑफ लाइक आप जैसे आर्टिस्ट हैं, कलाकार हैं।
देखिए आर्टिस्ट वर्ड का अभी इफ गवर्नमेंट थिंग्स लाइक दैट वी कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट। हम लोग कैसे कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स देयर कॉल। बट जनरली वी हैव द फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, वी कैन स्पीक एनीथिंग। But of course, depending on the situation, what you speak, that is, you have to be responsible about what you speak and when you speak, where you speak. So वो तो obviously सबका responsibility रहता है, we need to understand that.
Can I ask you about since you are part of the entertainment industry and also बजट इफेक्ट करता है आपको जो यूनियन बजट आता है, उसके बारे में कुछ विचार इंसाइट अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहें?
No, I have no idea about all this because
in general, not technically.
I know technically तो नहीं मालूम है obviously because we are not in that content. We don't even think about all that. I think about the politics of the country because I feel responsible about it, but not that much into detail in that. फ़र्क सबको पड़ता है बजट का, मतलब इकोनॉमी अगर आप पढ़ते हो तो उसमें any changes in the economy, any changes in the budget will affect each and every person in the country. So of course I'm getting affected every day, but the difference is I don't know where I'm getting affected.
Any provision you would like as a person कि ऐसा प्रावधान या provision होना चाहिए for any women, for education, for farmers, for as an artist, any tax related? I'm just giving you options.
Provision to do what?
मतलब गवर्नमेंट जब लाए ये बजट तो ये चीज़ों का ख्याल रखें कि ऐसा
It's very difficult in our country because we are too many people in the country, and you can't you can't differentiate between people because we are not different castes. We have of course we have financial differences. एक farmer और एक businessman, they are different in economic level का तो difference हमेशा होता है, तो that way we are different, but I don't think we should differentiate people like that.
Lastly, what are your plans for Holi? And कौन सा ऐसा एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस होगा जिसको आप अपने रंग में रंगना चाहेंगे?
बॉलीवुड एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेस, मुझे ऐसा कोई ख्याल कभी भी नहीं आया है ज़िंदगी में. होली का प्लान ये है कि होली खेलना है, एंड आई हैव अ प्लान टू गो समवेयर. मेरे जो होम टाउन के आसपास जहाँ पे मेरे दोस्त लोग होंगे, दैट्स द प्लान बेसिकली, टू चिल अराउंड.
Any favorite Holi song?
Amitabh Bachchan song, that famous that song, everybody play that.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Can you please tell us about the ceremony today? आज के बारे में बताना चाहिए आप.
I think GMA is a very encouraging award, and it covers a great deal of variety of music. I think we need something like this, and especially non-film categories. And I wish them well. I want them to go further and go into many other categories of music and make it more purer.
You launched your band also today. Can you just tell something about it?
Yeah, I'm so glad that Nufs had a slot to perform and show the world what they can do. This is just the beginning, and I think it was a great beginning for me.
It was Oscars yesterday. Are you satisfied with the how it went about?
I didn't watch it, I was working.
Rahman, one last thing, like according to CBFC, there are regulations about using some words in the songs which you make. Like there was a song in which it was Bombay, and they were asked to change to it Mumbai. So do you agree with this system of like having a censorship on the words? And
I feel music is a pure art, and people benefit so much by purity and joy which music creates. And it's better to keep pure. So in a way, I agree certain things, but it should not become. People should not get stranded and be caught.
Rahman, one last question. Do you believe that the retro songs should be remixed, and what's your take on that?
Some of them are interesting. It should not become a habit, I say, because people love original stuff and they respect retro stuff without spoiling sanctity.
Are you in favor?
Partly. Thank you.
Rahman, lastly, what more we can expect in the coming future? We know about your school also. You are working for your school also, and about Hindi songs.
So I'm doing Tamasha and Riya Kapoor's new film, and actually chilling out a bit.
Hema Malini ji was at your school, I think so.
Yeah, she was kindly visited the school and checked out the students, and it was such a great honor.